Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kinah Befe, and if you are just seeing my face for the very first time, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Today we are going to be talking about how to boost your immune system. We know that our immune system is our body's first point of action or first point of contact to fight against diseases, infections, and all those external bodies that we don't really need. Okay, so it is very important and it's paramount that we boost our immune system. As we age, as we grow, we tend to have more of a weaker immune system compared to people that are younger than us. So let's talk about some of the things to do to boost it. Number one, eat healthy. I cannot overemphasize the importance of eating healthy. See, it's non-negotiable. You must eat healthy. Take in more of fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins. See, most of our food juggles, especially we Africans, most of our food juggles around carbohydrates. So we have gari, eba, semu, fufu, rice, yam, beans. Most of our food juggles around there. If you're not eating jollof rice, you're eating fried rice, or you're eating rice and stew. If you're not eating eba, as a Nigerian, you're eating semu, or you're eating fufu, or you're eating pounded yam. If you're a Ghanaian, you're eating fufu, or you're eating benku. All carbohydrates, all carbohydrates. So sometimes it's the soups that, for Nigerians, I would say the soups we use in complementing the carbohydrate that is important. So what kind of soup are you using? Do you have lots of vegetables in your soup? I know that things are really hard, things are tough, things are difficult. It's not easy. I tell you, it's not easy to even eat healthy. Things are expensive. I wouldn't come here and tell you that things are not expensive or it's not difficult to maintain a healthy diet, especially in Africa. It is, but as much as possible, there is a saying that prevention is better than cure. If you fall sick today, that money you are saving, don't want to spend, you don't want to eat good food with, you will still spend it in the hospital, and that's not what we want. It is better for us to build our immune system to be strong in a way whereby it will be able to fight all those sicknesses and diseases from coming to us. Okay, I know it's not easy, but let's try as much as possible. If you have the choice to eat healthy, please choose eating healthy. Okay, let's choose eating healthy. So number two, drink a lot of water. Many of us are guilty of this. I'm number one. I am guilty of this. Before now, I found it so difficult to drink water. Even after eating, you are thirsty, but just to go and carry the water and drink is a problem. I don't know why, but I was very guilty of that until I started suffering from constipation. Like, I used to have serious constipation. I started practicing the act of taking or drinking water. So every morning when I wake up, the first thing that goes into my stomach is water. I must drink water in the morning before any other thing enters my mouth. Okay, so it really helped me. I realized I wasn't suffering from constipation anymore. I also realized I felt stronger, because when you remove all those toxins in your system, your body gets to feel renewed. Your body is now clean. Have you also realized that when you don't take in a lot of water and you go and pee, your pee is yellow in color? Some people's pee, you don't want to see it. You ask yourself whether is this thing coming out from someone's body, and that's because the person does not take in a lot of water. But any day that you consume a lot of water, you say that definitely you want to ease yourself more often. Okay, and you also realize that your pee will not be yellow in color, like it will be bright. Sometimes it can even be plain white like water. and that's because it has cleaned every toxin that is in your body. It has washed it off. The first urine might be, a bit yellowish. Before you know, the next one, it will be clear. Before you know, your urine is white, and that's how it's supposed to be on a daily basis. So your body doesn't accumulate all those diseases, all those toxins that's supposed to go out. Imagine, because you don't take in a lot of water like me, then I will not use the restroom, I will not use the loo for like 2-3 days, because no water to help the food even go down very well and help me discharge all that I have to discharge. And then I'll be carrying, can you imagine what you'll be carrying inside your body for days? Let's inculcate the habit of taking in lots of water. It is important. If you set timer on your phone to help you drink water, please do it. Anything you can do to help you drink water, it will help clean your kidney, your liver, all of that. Please, let's try. I know it's not easy, but let's try. So the number 3 thing we can do to boost our immune system naturally is getting enough sleep. Yes, I said it. The motivational speaker have told you that when you sleep too much, that means you are not serious in your life. You're not a serious person. You don't know anything. Your mates are outside making money. You are sleeping. Waste your life. You waste how many years of your life sleeping? My brother, my sister, when it's time to sleep, sleep. You cannot cheat nature. Sleep, rest. Your body needs it. Your body needs to relax. There are so many things that your body gets to do when you are sleeping. It helps to naturally renew a lot of this. I'm not a medical practitioner, but these I know, because anytime I feel weak, tired, exhausted, and I sleep and wake up, I feel renewed. So I don't need any prophets or anybody to come and tell me that I need to sleep to renew myself. Yes, you need to sleep. Stop denying yourself sleep. Stop it. Sleeplessness will cause your body stress, and when your body is stressed, you will easily break down. When your body is stressed, your immune system is overworking, and then at a particular point when it cannot take it anymore, your body will break down. You will fall sick, you will fall ill. So please, rest, sleep, take a nap in the afternoon. If you have the opportunity to take a nap, take a nap. If you don't have the opportunity to take a nap in the afternoon, when you come back, try and sleep early. Do what you have to do. Plan yourself in a way whereby you can sleep early. Okay? So your body gets to renew itself, so you don't look exhausted. I'm not saying you should oversleep. I'm not saying you should go to the office and go and be sleeping. It's not, don't say Befe said you should go to the office and be sleeping, take a nap. No, I did not say so. I only said find out, create time to rest. When you come back home, instead of you wasting time doing some things that you know you're not supposed to be doing, just rest, relax your mind, relax your body needs it. Okay. The number 4 thing that we can do to boost our immune system is to exercise regularly. If you know you are like me that find it difficult to exercise, no, don't be shy. No, it's nothing to be shy about. Just raise up your hand. Yeah. If you are that person that think that,
oh, I'm not fat, so there is no need for me to exercise. I don't need to exercise. Exercise is for fat people.
or you are that type that when you see slim people in the gym, you be laughing at them. So what is this one coming to do in the gym? See her like and she's in the gym. You that is chubby and you don't go to the gym, or you have decided to go to the gym. Gym is not just for losing weight. That's not just what gym is about, or exercising is about. Exercising helps you to boost your immune system. So when you exercise your body, you keep all your muscles, all your cells, everything in your body is active. Everything in your body is releasing toxins that it doesn't need. Everything in your body is at its 100%. Okay, so exercising will help to activate everything about you, your heart, your kidney, your liver. Everything will be working perfectly. And I know sometimes it's difficult to get motivated to exercise. I wouldn't lie. because I'm also a victim of that. But I found out something, that exercising, it's not just about carrying weights, going to the gym, feeling all busy and all of that. Exercising can be skipping, exercising can be dancing, exercising can be cycling, exercising can be what again, swimming. So if you love swimming, do that on a regular basis. That's exercise. In fact, you exercise. Swimming is a very good form of exercise because the whole of your body will be active. Swimming, dancing, even if you don't know how to dance, play your village song, you will dance. Play your village song, you will dance. I promise you. By the time you dance and sweat, nobody is looking at you. Even if someone is looking at you, sweat, dance, that's real exercise. After dancing, go and take your shower. You'll see how you feel. So do that on a regular basis. I remembered when I was losing weight, when I was really weighty, I added a lot of weight and I wanted to lose weight. I registered for the gym for a month. I wasn't really seeing any, because it was like a duty for me to go there. And I was doing it and I want to see immediate effects, but I wasn't seeing that. After a month, I stopped. But there were some things that I kept on doing. I kept on eating healthy. Like, then I was really eating healthy. And another thing that really helped me was dancing every morning and evening. Before I step out, I'll make sure that I play music for 30 minutes and I'll dance. I will dance. I'll play my village song. I'll play local song, something that will make me to dance, shake my body. I'm not saying calm down, so no, shake your body. Like, I will sweat, I will be drenched. Like, after doing that, I'll go and take my shower. The same thing in the evening before I sleep. After taking my dinner, I do take my dinner latest before 6. My dinner is taken, and it's always light. After doing that, maybe around 8, thereabout 8 9, before I go to bed, I'll do same thing. Prior to when I want to go and take my shower, I will play music, I will dance, I will shake my body, I will be drenched again. I'll go and bathe. That was what I continued doing. I went down. People started begging me, please. But even if I was losing weight, I was actually doing that to lose weight, physical weight. But I realized I felt so healthy. I don't fall ill of even headache. No, not even headache, stomach pain, all of that was gone, because I felt so healthy. I felt so renewed because I was exercising, and the exercise I was doing was dancing. So that's to tell you that even dance is exercise. So you mustn't go to the gym. Even if you can, some of us cannot afford the gym, no problem. If you cannot afford the gym, no problem. You can do that at home. If you can skip at home, buy a skipping rope and skipping. You see skipping? You see skipping? You think you are light, you think you are slim, go and carry a skipping rope and skip. And then you see how you'll be panting, especially if you've not been exercising. You see how you'll be panting. But continue, you see that at a particular point you feel so light, and you ask yourself, was this what I was doing before, and it was as if I'm killing myself. So it's important for you to exercise because it helps to release those toxins that your body don't need. Okay, the last but not the least thing I'll be talking about today is supplements. It is important to take in supplements. There are so many supplements that we can consume, but please do not consume any supplements without consulting a medical practitioner or your doctor or your medical advisor. Okay, make sure you contact your medical advisor, especially when you have any ailments. There are so many supplements that you can take, and please, supplements can never replace eating healthy. Supplements can never replace taking in fruits. Supplements can never replace living a healthy life. Okay, eat healthy, drink in lots of water, take your vegetables, your fruit, your proteins and all of that. Eat healthy, then you take your supplements. Okay, I'm going to be telling you, let me show you the supplements that I take For me, I use Reload. I take Reload. I don't know if you can see this. This is what I take. Reload. It's this women's formula. They have for men. Even for the women, they have for women from, this is the one for women from 50 years and above. This is pink. The one for 50 years and above is pink, whilst the one for 49 below is purple in color. Okay, so this is the one that I take. I take one in a day, and this is very helpful. It has 24 fruits and vegetables, so all of those nutrients I'm not able to get from some of the fruits and vegetables that I might not even have access to. Yes, I get them from my supplements, and please, it doesn't replace food. So there are so many supplements. We have vitamin C, vitamin D, probiotics. There are loads of supplements. So please get advice from your medical advisor, and they will recommend the one that will best suit you. Okay, so it's very important. If you're a lady, if you're a guy, there are supplements for kids too. Yes, buy and give to your mothers, buy and give to your fathers, buy and give to your uncles, your aunties. These are good gifts to give to people. If you're thinking of a gift to give to a loved one, just go for the supplements. I hope you've been able to pick one or two from this video. I hope this video has been helpful in a way, and if there are supplements or if there are things that you do in order to boost your immune system naturally, let us know in the comment section. We are here to learn from each other. You might never know you are saving a life. Yes, let's know in the comment section, and do not forget to stay healthy. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Like, comment, share to your friends and family. These are information that everyone needs. Everybody needs this kind of information. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and until we meet next time, do not forget to always smile, because you're beautiful when you do. Bye.